What up, folk? Boston Black, popsholistic.com. Today we're going to be doing one of our fermentery shots, not juice, one of our fermentery shots. This particular ferment we started back in 611, and it contains organic carrots, organic ginger, and organic lemon. I guess it's been going 3.5 months, so 90 some odd days. Oh, no, about 100 days now. And we're just gonna break it down and put it into little shots. Gonna be using our Freta juicer today. Used it a couple times. It gets the job done. And we're not gonna waste no more time. We're just gonna get right into it. Be right back. Okay, so the very first thing we're gonna do is basically open up our ferment. See what it looks like. Clean as usual. Not even a little bit of cam yeast, nothing. Lemons aged perfectly. See them browning, whole 9 yards. Aroma is great. So the first thing I want to do is separate my produce from everything else. Pull my lemons now and then dump everything else. And when I say separate my produce, I mean separate my produce from my brine. And that's as simple as straining it. So now that my produce is separated from my brine, I want to take my lemons and we just want to squeeze the juice out. And juicing time. Strain this out a couple times just to make sure I get everything. Okay, folks, this is what we have. We've got about 800 milliliters of fermented ginger, lemon, and carrots. That's organic ginger, lemon, and carrots, which has been fermenting for 100 days or better, a little bit more than 100 days. We've got almost 3 cups of brine, which I'll probably use for some pasta, or maybe when I kick off some more Pop's macaroni and cheese, something, or maybe some rice, something. We'll use it for something. Someone just asked me, why am I making shots with carrots in it? kind of made sense when I normally make carrot juice. I got carrot juice in the refrigerator. So instead of carrot, ginger, and lemon shots, we're gonna make carrot, ginger, and lemon apple cider vinegar shots, or apple cider vinegar tonics, or apple cider vinegar tonic shots. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our fermented juice, fermented cold pressed juice, and we are going to add, let's say we had like 800 milliliters in there. We're gonna add 250 milliliters of apple cider vinegar with the mother. $250.